Welcome to Bizarre Researcher Towards Truth. Now we are going to see a Metaboanalyst 5.0 tool. So this tool is used for a statistical tool. So now Metaboanalyst 5.0 has launched. So overview of this tool is it's a comprehensive platform where the metabolomics data analysis. So these will help for a user-friendly tool, it's an online tool, and also it has a NMR spectra processing, and also it has a mass spec, and also it has statistical analysis, and also it has a meta-analysis. So we'll go for a one by one. So click start, and after that, you can see. So statistical analysis we can do, and biomarker analysis, and two-factor analysis, statistical meta-analysis, power analysis. So there is a lots of parameters and modules are there. If you know the compound metabolite if you found, then you can go for the pathway analysis, enter the all the compound name and choose compound name and submit. Then it will come the pathway, which is under cake or any other pathway database, and LCMS spectral processing. So if you have a mass spec metabolomics, if you have doing any other metabolomics study, so just you can proceed with this. Just open, choose the file and upload. And you have any biomarker analysis to do, like concentration. Here you can see the example like metabolite concentration 90 human plasma sample measured in potent. So there are only among patients and you can search. So the whatever we are just proceeding. So normalized by median because we need only the median one, and after that log transformation because if any your value is more than big data, then logarithm will help you for that. And auto-scaling is like we're not mean any other scaling, just only doing a standard deviation of each variable. So normalizing, after normalizing you can see the result. This result initially it was here, but if you normalized it was central. If it is a more centralized, then your data was good. So proceed. So here you can see the univariate multiple analysis. Among the univariate analysis, you can see these like glycerol, trimethylene, acetate. So this shows yeah, good significant. So you came to know like control has more than 0 and patient has a down. So this is down regulated, which means a glycerol was down regulated. So you can download the result and you can analyze. So if it is your statistical analysis, which means you can give any NMR data or MSP data. So if you do any metabolomics like from urine sample, if you are analyzing the sample, and also if you are going to analyze serum sample, any other sample, so it will give you for 400 to 500 metabolites. So these 300 to 400 metabolites that will give you lots of pressure. So here the metaboanalyst which gives you the significant data. For example, just I am considering the example one, a metabolic concentration 77 urine sample from cancer patient by proton NMR. So here the group 1 contains the cattle and group 2 contains control. So group 1 is the patient and group is control. Just I'm giving submit. If it is your sample, then you have to give here. So you make up to NMR peak file. One file should be just I'm giving you an example. So if you open any NMR data, it will come like this. So this NMR data which has this different parameter, but we need a parameter on ppm parameter, and also we need this intensity reluctant, or if you want you can use this absorbance, any two. So one I am taking this one and this one, or this one and this one. So choose among that, delete all, and you have to make a same file, and you have to compress, and after that choose file and submit. So I'm just going for this already available data and submitting. After that you can see the same whatever you see, the we proceed and normalize the median, because median will give the data accurately, and auto scaling also is standard deviation and normalized. After that proceed. So in here you can see one way analysis. If there is a more than two groups, here only two groups only, so it won't give one way analysis. But if you have a more than two groups, then one way analysis will give you the answer. And for that I'm just taking different example for your convenient, like this. Okay, first I'm taking metabolites. Then giving a next and proceed, and by standard deviation I'm just submitting and proceeding. After that normalize by median, log transformation, auto scaling, just normalized. We can see it was normalized, and give proceed. After that you can see it has a four group. So group 1 has a control, group 1 2 has a patients. So among 144 metabolites, 78 metabolites are significant. So what are the metabolites? You can click here and you can see this. So this ppm, which was control, has a low, but in group 2, group 3, group 4 high regulated. So these three patients has upregulated, which means this I'm giving a number, this compound number for for good explanation. So this compound has upregulated. So based on that, it was upregulated, downregulated. We can see, or we can click this one table, and you can see among which one was. So this compound has an original concentration after normalization. So you can see the group 1 was more, the remaining three patients are down, which it represent it has down regulated. Sorry, it's down regulated. Here you can see the upper one and this one. So this line, horizontal line, which denotes a mean of the value, and this line upper one demonstrated the standard deviation. So after that you can download the file if you generate the report, and the report will generate it, and you can download in the software. I hope you enjoyed, and any comments, any mistakes, anything you are facing, anything, just comment. As soon as possible, I will reply to your comment. So here you can see all the images. For example, one-way ANOVA images, and everything you can download from here, or you can generate the report. Okay guys, thank you. See you in the next video.